Hello and welcome to another lesson today. Today was it was shorter than the other weeks, probably because we're going to be learning a lot about database next lesson. Um, but today, the first thing we needed to do was to install the Express package. So if you type in node install save, let me type that. Node install save and then Express and hit enter. It already has Express on it. You will just install the Express node for this particular project. After that, we have to create two folders, which is, let's see, the server folder right here, the models, which we don't have anything yet, and the routers, which we had to create three files over there. We also had to copy the apps to check to see if it was working. In these three files, we had to create this var express and then required express. So it requires the express module that we just installed, and then we link that to the router, and then use the router to go to the page. Same thing for document and messages. After that, we had to download a file called server.js, and then we had to add this file to our project. Now, Mongoose, I don't have Mongoose yet, so I had to comment this out. And once we install it, it will work. Then we had to add our code here to routing the files. It's just a constant code over there. It's not very, and it's not very hard. Just like the index that was created before. We just had to create links to these files that we created right here to the routers. These files here. So if we go back to the server.js, and he explains each one of them, what they do. So this will require a path and the HTTP. So that's what we wanted to have. That's the two that we had to add, the dependencies. After that, he explains what the var index require to route the apps. I changed this to constant just because I feel like it's not gonna change, but if we do var, it will just do the same. If we do, it will still work. But I like it constant, so I'll just leave it like that. And then after that, we go to the home page. And this tells like where the home page is. All we had to use is create this 3 here to go to the right pages. And then then we had to create the files, which are these files here, and then we had to put in this 3 things there. We just, as of right now, we just had to add those files, and that's about it. It's just all we had to do. And if we run, just node server.js is still running on localhost 3000. We can Go here. And then go host 3000. And there you have it. It's still working. So we have the server working just like you should. Contact still working. Messages. No difference than before. If we do Control C, we'll stop that. And every time we click on something, you see that it got logged here. So that's about it. Well, thank you very much.